Hello, my name is Solomon Heisey, and my research project is Connected IoT Device Monitoring via Network Traffic Analysis. Today I'm going to be giving a brief demonstration going over the core functionality of my ambient indicator. This device is designed to raise awareness of the actions taken by IoT devices that are designed to easily fade into the background. This indicator monitors the activity of IoT devices present within the space and reports on their activities by means of a smart light bulb that is also set up in the space. I would demonstrate the usage of this device in the context of an Echo Show, but it also can be deployed with other IoT devices like Nest cameras, Google Home voice assistants, and the like. This indicator is designed to measure the level of activity of a given IoT device and classifies it into three main categories, with each state assigned to a different color. A high activity state represents a lot of activity. An example of this would be playing a video on YouTube using the Echo Show. A medium activity state represents a normal amount of activity. An example of this would be a simple voice query such as asking Alexa the weather. A low activity state represents a dormant state from the target device. The colors assigned to each of these states are adjustable in the indicator's accompaniment application, so the appearance of the device can be customized. Coming over to the application, we have the high, medium, and low traffic colors, which each of these can be customized. You have the pulse and brightness, and you can also confirm and reset the settings. So coming over to the application, let's set the high traffic color to maybe a pink, and it outputs it to the light so you can see, and it also updates in the application. Let's set the medium traffic color to a dark blue, and you can see it also translates to the light bulb. And let's set the low let's set that to a green, and you can see that it outputs it to light. Device brightness is another configurable element in the indicator's presentation. You may choose to change this depending on where you place the indicator in your home. Some examples might be decreasing the brightness in your bedroom so that the device does not disturb your sleep, but increasing the brightness in your living room so the device grabs your attention. Let's go over a few examples here. So diving into the brightness settings, let's set it relatively high. So let's set it at 78. Set it again. Set it at around 53. So let's set it at a lower brightness. So this might be more suitable for your bedroom environment. So let's set it to 13, and you can see it's very dim. And if you want to put in your living room, you might want a higher brightness. So let's set it to 82%, and you can see it reflects there. Lastly, you can change the pulse delay. This controls how long you wish the light to linger on any particular state. A shorter pulse might be utilized with an Echo Show since you know exactly when your device is active. However, a longer pulse might be utilized with the Nest camera since the device is not always active, so knowing exactly when the device is on might not be as important to you. However, in either case, you can configure it however you want. The slider is measured in milliseconds of delay, so if the slider is set at 10,000 milliseconds, this means it will take 10 seconds for the device to reach peak brightness, and then another 10 seconds for the device to return to its off state. So again, let's go over a few examples here. Let's set it to a longer pulse, so 2200. You can see it's a very gradual fade in and fade out. And then let's set it to a much lower one, so around 700. As you can see, it's much shorter fade in and fade out. For demonstration purposes, however, let's just reset these to default settings and confirm that. And it just fades in and fades out to confirm your settings. So now the indicator is actively monitoring the activity originating from the Echo Show. I'll now ask Alexa a few questions to demonstrate the different lighting effects. Alexa, what's the weather like today?
It's 80 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Tonight, you can look for showers with a low of 67 degrees.
Alexa, who is the President of the United States?
The President of the United States is Donald Trump.
Alexa, give me a news briefing.
In NPR News.
Live from NPR News, I'm Jack Spear. As the U.S. COVID-19 death toll officially tops 100,000, New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio is announcing plans for that city to make more hotel rooms available for coronavirus patients who cannot self-isolate at home. De Blasio says it.
So this concludes my demonstration. Thanks for watching.